Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and most innovative products on the market. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the Portable Fish Finder by NestNiche. If you're an angler or love spending time on the water, this device could be a game-changer for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what this Portable Fish Finder is all about. It's a rechargeable, handheld fish depth finder equipped with a sonar sensor transducer and an LCD screen echo sounder. But what makes it special? One of its standout features is its precision depth detection. Using sonar technology with a 200 kHz frequency, it provides highly accurate depth readings. You can detect depths ranging from 2 feet (0.6 meters) to an impressive 328 feet (100 meters) below the transducer. This fish finder also enhances your fishing experience by providing crucial information, including water depth, fish location, fish size, and the composition of the underwater terrain. Whether you're fishing from a kayak, dock, or during ice fishing, it's got you covered for both fresh and saltwater fishing. Now, let's talk portability. This device is designed for convenience. It comes with a handy neck strap, making it easy to wear around your neck when you're out on the water. Plus, its compact design ensures it fits neatly into your tackle box. Long-lasting performance is essential during those fishing sessions, and this portable fish finder delivers. It's powered by 4 AAA batteries, providing 4 to 5 hours of continuous use from a single set of new batteries. The LCD display is clear and readable even in bright sunlight or at night. Ease of use is another critical aspect. To operate it, simply toss the transducer into the water, switch on the display unit, and watch as it provides water depth and approximate fish locations as fish schools swim by. It offers 5 selectable sensitivity settings, a battery-saving mode, customizable backlight options, a fish alarm, and different units of measure. So, why should you consider adding this to your fishing gear? Well, it's all about enhancing your fishing game. With precision depth detection and comprehensive information at your fingertips, you're more likely to have a successful catch. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a newbie, this portable fish finder can be a valuable tool for your fishing adventures. And it's versatile enough to use in various fishing environments, from kayaking to ice fishing. Let's take a quick look at the specifications. It's made from ABS plastic, model TL88E, and features a TN UV protection LCD display. Power comes from 4 AAA batteries, and it has a sensor beam angle of 45 degrees. The depth range is impressive, from 0.7 to 100 meters or 2 to 328 feet. The package includes the fish finder, a round sensor, screw bolt, nut, and a user manual. It's designed with anglers in mind, and the brand behind it, NestNiche, is dedicated to providing quality products for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Portable Fish Finder by NestNiche is a handy tool that can significantly improve your fishing experience. With its precision depth detection, portability, and ease of use, it's a must-have for any angler. Whether you're out on the kayak or enjoying some ice fishing, this device can make your trips more successful and enjoyable. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. If you've used this portable fish finder or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy fishing!